essential and we learn a lot.
So, Alumni Designations, University of Southern Philippines Foundation, High School of Department of Campus Guidance Center, Certificate of Appreciation presented to Mr. Anthony G. Gutierrez for imparting his valuable insights and inspirations to the students in the Drug Awareness Symposium with the theme A Message of Hope. Drug use disorders are preventable and treatable. Held at 4th floor, main function room, Don Agustin Miranda Hall, USPF Salinas Drive, Cebu City. Given this 10th of October 2014, Cebu City, Philippines, signed by Elita L. Reed, Mrs. Susan Odrano, and Dr. Anunciacion Valle, PhD.